Welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn about household vocabulary. Let's start. What is this? This is bucket. This is bucket. What is this? This is laptop. This is laptop. What is this? This is brush. This is brush. What is this? This is sunglasses. This is sunglasses. What is this? This is hairbrush. This is hairbrush. What is this? This is dress. This is dress. What is this? This is chair. This is chair. What is this? This is television. This is television. What is this? This is knife. This is knife. What is this? This is toilet. This is toilet. What is this? This is plant. This is plant. What is this? This is hair dryer. This is hair dryer. What is this? This is dishwasher. This is dishwasher. What is this? This is feather duster. This is feather duster. What is this? This is refrigerator. This is refrigerator. What is this? This is door handle. This is door handle. What is this? This is fireplace. This is fireplace. What is this? This is wardrobe. This is wardrobe. What is this? This is rug. This is rug. What is this? This is curtains. This is curtains. What is this? This is ladder. This is ladder. What is this? This is hat. This is hat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.